Hey there, guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Playskool Washable Glue Stick, the jumbo size. Yeah, okay, so, well, with anybody that has kids, they have projects. You know, kids do little things where they're gluing things, they're cutting things, they're, you know, just putting things together and making pictures or building little collages or any kind of projects that little kids do, like paper mache and all kinds of different. They need the tools to do what they're gonna do, right? I remember I was a kid once and I had to do all kind of things, but it was fun. This is really a good deal right here. It's a glue stick and it's the jumbo size, which means it's fatter than the normal size one, which is kind of almost like 3 times bigger, this one, than the other glue stick. The other one's more like a lip balm type of size, which works fine, but this one is kind of more ideal for little kids. What it is a glue stick that you use on paper mache, like paper, fabric, things like that. That's where it works best. Cardboard, things like that. When you're cutting things and putting them together and making like little pictures or anything kids do along those lines. It's really easy to use. It's all the magic is under this lid. Now, I thought this was a good idea. Rather than making this glue part just a clear white or a clear color or white, just like basic glue, they make it a color, which is very attractive to kids. Now, this glue, when you use it and you put it on your paper or whatever you're going to glue, you put it on there. When it dries, it goes on, well, it goes on purple, just like this color here. But when it dries clear. So that's really great. I mean, I thought that was a really good idea. And it's also a cool idea that they made it a triangle rather than just a plain circle. Plain circle is kind of basic, I think the triangle is like attractive for children. Yeah. And how you get this to come out is the bottom turns like, let me show you. If you take the bottom like this part here, and you turn it like that brings out the stick, you see? Yeah, and then you just rub this on to any kind of paper or anything. You glue whatever you need to glue, and it's really good. It's a very good idea that they made it so jumbo because it covers a lot of surface area and it takes less effort that way. Yeah, my kid has used this. This is a new one, but my kid has 2 or 3 of these. He uses it like religiously, He's always gluing things, and it glues pretty good, actually. I mean, as far as the stickiness of it, it glues very well. In order to get like the optimal glue and the optimal sticking, be sure to glue the item. Put glue on the item, like the piece that you're sticking onto, whatever you're sticking it onto, and glue the part that you're sticking on. Like for example, if you're gluing something on, say, this piece of paper that's here, you put glue here, and you'll put glue on the paper that you're or the cardboard or whatever you're gluing, and then put them together to get that optimal glue. Yeah, to have it glue really strong. Yeah, so that's how you get the glue to stick really like hard, and it dries really pretty fast. Yeah, it just takes a few, like probably, I would say probably an hour, to actually dry really good. I mean, overnight, of course, is like, prime. Yeah, it's really good, and it glues pretty fast. Artwork and children all go together, and they love this kind of stuff. And it's time to go back to school soon, and kids need these kind of supplies to do all the little projects they're going to do. So that's what we're working on right now, and I'm glad Playskool has this jumbo stick that he can use for his little projects. Yeah, I like this a lot. Good thing. All right, well, that is the Playskool Washable. Yeah, it's very washable too, I should say that. Very washable. Comes right out, no problem. Playskool Washable glue stick, and it's the jumbo size. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.